Hello and welcome to another how-to video for our 3D printing class. This video will teach you how to merge different pieces together onto the same file so that you can print several pieces at once. This saves space when we are using our print tape and our print plate there so that we can reuse more frequently. So I'm in Tinkercad right now, and I have found a model on the internet called an Oloid wobbler that's in 3 parts, and I want to print all 3 parts at the same time. So I'm going to import, choose a file, and it's in my downloads. Right. Oloid wobbler, files, and I'm going to choose each file. You have to import them separately, unfortunately. I'm just going to import each of those. And lastly, the internal screw. So this is a Oloid wobbler. It is a rolling object that does not go in a straight line. It kind of wobbles. It's consisted of 2 perpendicular circles that are then connected together. So I have all of my pieces imported right now, and I'm kind of moving them around so I can see them. I want to make sure that the flat portion is always on the bottom. So I'm going to click on this one and take my rotation tool and rotate it 180 degrees. This one's already rotated that way, but I just kind of want them to be in the same direction. And I'm going to pull the screw to be in between. So it doesn't really matter where you place them. You want them close enough so that they'll fit on the actual print plate. I believe the largest dimension in the length is like 8 inches, and then the depth has to be pretty short. So this should be fine, a fine configuration here. I'm going to quickly select everything and group them together so that if they get moved anywhere, they move together. And then I will export my file. I'm going to export an STL, and it'll go straight into my download files. This file then can be imported into Dremel Print Cloud and used to slice and prepare for 3D printing, just like you would any other file. So now I have brought up Dremel Print Cloud here, and I have imported my whole Oloid here. And the only thing I really had to do was notice that this is outside of the printer box. So the repair takes care of that, so I did repair it, and this is my repaired file. I did not have to change the layout from there at all, because it's nice in the center, it's all flat on the ground, I don't need to change anything. So I didn't even need to save that, and then I just went to slice it. And when this is sliced, it's going to take 3 hours and 6 minutes to print. We'll click on the file to download the G3 Drem file, put it on a flash drive, and then you can take it to the printer. Happy making!